What's happening, party people? I am doing my best not to get a heat stroke out here in Cincinnati. Today the heat index when the sun was up was 103. Too hot to handle. So I just, do half days. When it starts getting too hot, I just do something else. I can't be out here working in that heat. Anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update on my travel. I'm in Cincinnati on, I think it's July 18th. There is a car show planned for Gilmore Car Show in Michigan, close to Kalamazoo. I'll get the details, post that stuff. If you are in that area within an hour, 2 or 3, do your best to come to that car show. We'll be there hanging out, bunch of Volvo guys. I'll have some things that I can hand out. I'll probably have some t-shirts there. We'll be talking about Volvos, telling Volvo stories, just having a good time. So they do that every other year. So it's going to be this year, then it's going to be 2022. I'm going out east. I got this car to deliver to the DC area. I'm going to hook up with my guy Moshi, give him his transmission parts. I'll be going up through New York, do my 14 days quarantine, and going through White Plains, then up to Hudson Valley. I don't know if it's going to be before or after the car show. Then after that, I'm going down to Atlanta, hitting Atlanta area before I head back to New Mexico. I'm also thinking about going up to Wisconsin. I got to check in with those people, see if they still need my help, and into Chicago, do a couple things into Chicago. So that's my travel plans. I'll be running around here the next few weeks. You need help, call or text. Getting Red Baron slowly but surely up to snuff, and I look forward to hanging out with you guys here out east. You guys remember I did an oil change on Panther about a month ago. Already 7,000 miles on Panther, need to do another one. Nobody's made a solid commitment on that green 850, so I'm gonna start tearing that thing apart as soon as my daughter gets done learning how to drive a standard. Maybe I'll get a car and just drive around, teach people how to drive a standard transmission car. That'd be something decent to do. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Well, party people, I went and pulled the engine, found a fresh fuel pump for this car. A lot of running around today, but I'm on a fast track trying to get out of town, head back out east. So this car here is about to get a fuel pump replaced. Panther's about to get loaded up. This car is going to get loaded up, and we headed out of town, but I got to drain some gas out of this one first. Let me see what I could do. Forgot the keys in the apartment, so I had to go back up and get them. Let's go. Round 3. Also looking for Santos to come and get some parts for his S70. Starting out by pumping as much gas as possible out of this car into this, and then I'm pouring it in this bucket. So I evidently have the relay jumped. And crap, it looks like fuel's leaked out of that all night. So let me pour that in there and turn this key on and pump some more of this gas out of here. It's the pump I pulled out last night, and this is the pump I pulled out of the salvage yard, out of a car in the salvage yard today. So you can see this even looks brand new. Sounds real good when I jump it, and this was rotting away. It was only in there for probably 2-3 months. That pump even had a Volvo gasket around it, so I'm gonna try to put this one Volvo gasket on there, but they look pretty close. I'm gonna try to get this hose out of here since it's Volvo. But man, that thing is crazy. Crazy. Get this stuff back out of here. Put this pump in. Got the pump in. Then we plug the connection in and turn the key. I think I got the relay jumped. Turn the key, pump some of this gas up. Pull the line off of the fuel filter, pumping the gas into this bucket. I guess I could have got a hose long enough to push on the fuel filter and run it into a bucket. Probably been a better thing to do. But this is where I'm at right now. As soon as it gets filled up a little bit more, I'm going to dump it in the bucket and do this 1 or 2 more times. It's running out of gas, so I'm about to shut it off and pour some fresh gas in there. See if it's gonna start. There it is. Oh, try one more time. Gotta get the good gas up there. That's the gas I pumped out of the tank. In all fairness, it might have some wash from the bottom of the car in it, but man, I can't even see the bottom of the bucket. So I'm gonna try to pump some of this out of the fuel rail into this bucket so I can have fresh gas up there. I had to start the car. Fuel injector relay wasn't hooked up. Go ahead, Byron, see if this puppy will start now. See if it'll start now. Almost. Almost. Huh? No. Alright, we're gonna give it a couple more tries here. Alright, hold the gas pedal down and crank it for like 30 seconds. Yeah. Alright, let me let it rest for a minute. We are rolling. That car finally started after about 10 attempts. I disconnected the line at the fuel rail, pumped about a quart of gas out of the line to flush the line. Then it started third try after that. The AC is cycling. So we're gonna try this easy chill stuff we got from Walmart to see if that can get the AC to stay on. We stopped by Sam's Club and got the tires aired up, and we about to hit the road, get to cruising. In the pit stop in Estancia, change the fuel pump. Gotta find what I did with my tools. Get in here real quick, get out. It is 5:49. It is 6:08. The pump is in and the car is running fast. Holding steady. Cruise control not working for some reason. I'm letting the vehicle idle, letting the turbo and the oil cool down a little bit. It was running about 230 degrees, and hopefully it'll cool the oil down, cool down the turbo, and just let it idle a couple of minutes. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.